I'm going to open my pressure cooker now. And this is my red capsicum and lentil curry. As you can see, it's nice and thick, and it's got a beautiful smell of roasted red capsicums. So I'll let it cool down a bit and have a taste and let you know how it tastes like in my next video. The first thing you notice about this dish is the aroma. It just smells so beautiful. It's got that sweet roasted capsicum plus the spice aroma. It's just simply out of this world. Now let me have a taste and see how it goes. As you'd expect, the lentils have all dissolved. The red capsicum, the roasted red capsicum, have got a silky smoothness to it. It's almost jelly-like. And the chickpeas, give it a nice bite. The chickpeas are still firm, and they contrast very nicely with the roasted red capsicum. I really recommend this dish to whoever would like to have it. I'll give you the link to the recipe, which is in the previous video. I was supposed to eat it with some chapati or rice, but it's so nice I scoffed the whole bowl on its own. It's really like a thick soup or stew rather than a curry. It's just out of this world. I really would encourage people to try making it, especially if you think you don't like capsicums. Once you've roasted it, the taste just becomes completely different. Takes it to another level altogether. As you might have suspected, I don't have the self-discipline to refrain from having another bowl, so I'm having a second bowl. It's really that good, I tell you. You must try making this. Roasted red capsicum and lentil stew, curry, thick soup, whatever. Just finished my second bowl, and I can tell you it doesn't look substantial, but it's really quite filling. Lentil does that. Lentil is quite misleading. It's actually very filling. It's high in protein, and it's really healthy for you. And the chickpeas, don't forget the chickpeas, because otherwise it's all like soft, mushy, almost gooey. But the firmness of the chickpeas give it a nice contrast to the silky smoothness of the red capsicum. You can't really taste or feel the lentils because they've completely dissolved into the gravy. But it's really nice. You should try making this. I highly recommend it. My roasted red capsicum and lentil curry stew. As you can see, the roasted capsicums have completely dissolved overnight, and I'm going to finish the last bit of it. I think it's going to taste just as awesome as yesterday, if not nicer.